Welcome to Mathema by RC YouTube channel. This is our 9th class of integer of class 7. In this previous class of integer, we discussed the associative property. That means a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c, and also we discussed the commutative property a plus b equal to b plus a. That means the commutative property against addition and the closure property of addition and subtraction. Okay, so if you could not see this class, you go to our playlist of this YouTube channel and go to the CBSE class 7 and see the classes, the previous classes. If you like this class, so please join our YouTube channel. That means subscribe our YouTube channel and stay with us for this type of classes. Today we discuss the additive identity. This is from your NCERT books. We snapshot this as a part that when we add additive identity, that means the addition operation addition, we get an identity number. When we add 0 to any whole number, that means the number starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and dot dot, we get the same whole number. When we add 0 with any whole number, we get same whole number. 0 is an additive identity for the whole number. Is it additive identity again for integer also? There is a question. We know that the whole number is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and dot dot. Okay, 9, 10 and dot dot. Okay, and the whole number set is denoted by W. Okay, and the integer Z, this is represent 0. In this right hand side there is positive numbers. Okay, in this left hand side there is negative numbers. Okay, and dot dot. Okay, here also continuous. So when we add 0 with 0, we get 0. When we add 1 with 0, we get 1. When we add 2 with 0, we get 2. So in this whole number case, when we add 0 with any whole number, we get the same whole number. Is it possible? Is it true? Is it same for the integers? Here some examples there. Minus 8 plus 0 equal to minus 8. We know that. 0 plus minus 8, that means here A plus B, here B plus A. A is minus 8 and B is 0. This is also 0 plus minus 8 equal to minus 8. Minus 23 plus 0, this is called minus 23. 0 plus minus 37 equal to minus 37. 0 plus minus 56 equal to minus 59. This is called minus 59. 0, here the result is minus 43. So here the 0 plus minus 43 obviously, then we get minus 43. Here minus 61 plus something, we cannot know, but the result is minus 61. So here we put the number, that means 0, because minus 61 is the same number result. So what we can add with 0 with minus 61, then we get minus 61 itself. So this is 0. Here is 0 plus we use some any number, any kind of number. Here negative numbers, suppose we use 100. Positive numbers, we get 100. Okay, so all the numbers, the negative or positive, here we use negative because we already said the whole number, this is called positive. So all the examples shows that 0 is the additive identity of integers also. We can verify it by adding 0 in any another 5 integers. Okay, you can verify this. In general, for any integer a plus 0 equal to a and 0 plus a, that means the commutative property here we get a plus 0 equal to 0 plus a, and the result is a. Okay, this is same. 0 cannot differ with this addition formation or properties. So this is called the additive inverse. 0 is additive identity of integer and whole number also. Here we get, try this. Okay, from your textbook we get 2 examples, and this is very important and very magical way. Write a pair of integers. Okay, write a pair of integers whose sum, 2 pair of integers are 2 integers. That means a, suppose a and b, whose sum, that means a plus b, gives a negative integer. Okay, 2 pair of integer whose sum gives a negative integer. Suppose we suppose this is called negative integers. So 2 negative integers, suppose minus 2 plus minus 5, we get minus 7. Okay, so 2 pair of integers, the sum gives a negative integer. The sum gives 0, then we get minus 2 and plus 2. We get sum gives it's 0, pair of integers sum gives 0, or 2 minus 2, this is called 0. Okay, an integer smaller than both the integers. Sum gives an integer. Here we continue the sentence. That means sum gives an integer smaller than both the integers. Okay, so we can get this number C here, 1C, suppose to positive integers 5 and 10. Therefore 5 plus 10 equal to 15. The integer smaller than both the integers. The sum is greater than both the integers. So this is not true. Okay. So we can get 2 negative integers. Okay. Since the integer smaller than both the integers, we say minus 2 minus 7. We can get minus 2 plus minus 7. Since there is summation, minus 2 minus 7, this is called minus 9. So minus 9 is smaller than minus 2 and smaller than minus 7. Okay, so this is true. So we can take this kind of numbers. Sum an integer smaller than only one of the integers. Okay, the sum gives an integer smaller than only one of the integers. Then we take, suppose, one positive integers, one negative integers, minus 5. Okay, and suppose 15. So we get minus 5 plus 15, then we get 10 plus 10, and this is the sum, and this is the integer smaller than only one of the integers, and this is called smaller than one of the integers, that means smaller than 15, but it is greater than minus 5. Okay, so this is the tricks of this magical maths. An integer greater than both the integers. We can use this example, 5 and 10, we get both the integers. Okay, so E equal to 5 and 10, we get the sum 15, and 15 is greater than both the integers. Okay, similar case, here we give that write any pair of integers whose difference, that means the operation is negative, gives a negative integers, whose difference gives a negative integers. Okay, suppose negative integers when we get, suppose 5 minus 10. Okay, therefore the difference smaller number from the smaller number to bigger number. Okay, so 5 minus 10 we get minus 5. This is called the negative integers. The result 0, 0, suppose the difference, so 5 minus 5 equal to 0, or 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, an integer smaller than both the integers. The difference is an integer smaller than both the integers. Okay, suppose we can get 2c minus 10 and 15. Then we get, take minus 10 minus 15, and this is called, this is the operation minus operation, and this is called minus 25, and minus 25 is less than 15 and also less than of minus 10. The integers smaller than both the integers, and integers greater than only one of the integers. The difference is greater than only one of the integers. Okay, suppose we take, you can try in your mind, in your operation. Okay, mind operation, and integers greater than only one of the integers. How it can do it? And integers greater than only one integers. Suppose here is also, this is also true. No, this is not true. Suppose ten and 2, we get 10 minus 2, this is 8, and 8 is greater than 2, only one, an integer greater than only one of the integers. So we take two positive integers, we get this. Okay, an integer is greater than both the integers, an integer greater than both the integers, then how it can take? Think. Here we take a negative number and a positive number, we get this type, both the number, that means both the numbers is smaller, the integer smaller than both the integers. How it can take an integer greater than both the integers? The result is greater than in difference case. Suppose we take, here we take suppose 10 and minus 2, then 10 minus of minus 2. How it can do? 10 plus 2, when a bracket is over, this is called 12, and 12 is greater than minus 2, also greater than 10. Okay, this is the tricks of this math. So if you like this class, like button, like the tick button, also comment, you can make comment here, also subscribe our YouTube channel, share with your friends, and join our Telegram group. In this description box you get the link of this Telegram group. Stay with us, and in this next class we see you again. Thank you.